In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive and unarchive boards in Monday.com. If you find your workspace getting cluttered or need to temporarily hide some boards, archiving is a great way to tidy up without losing any data permanently. And when you need access to those boards again, unarchiving is just as simple. Let's walk through the process together. To begin, open your internet browser and go directly to Monday.com. Once there, you'll need to log in to your account. So go ahead and click on the login button that you'll find on the homepage. If you typically use Google to log in, select the Google option and choose your Google account from the list provided. This will take you right into your workspace. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself in your familiar Monday.com workspace. Choose which board you need to clean up a bit. Look to the right for the three dots, usually found in the upper corner of your board. Clicking on these dots will open a short menu with several options. If you're ready to archive the board, simply choose the Archive option from this menu. This doesn't delete the board permanently, it merely stores it away and cleans up your active boards list. Moving on, let's say the time comes when you want to bring back a board you archived earlier. This is where unarchiving comes into play. First, head to your profile, which you can find in the top right corner of your screen. Click on it to access more options. From the drop-down menu, select Archive. Here, you'll be presented with a list of all your archived boards and items. Now, to restore a specific board, scroll through your archived list until you find it. Once located, click on the three dots next to its name. A menu will pop up, providing you with the Restore option. Click on Restore, and your board will return to your active workspace, just as it was before you archived it. And that's all there is to it. You now have the skills to efficiently manage your Monday.com workspace by archiving boards when they're not needed and bringing them back when they are. Remember, archiving isn't just a good way to declutter, it's also a great organizational tool for managing temporary projects or off-season boards. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you stay organized and efficient with your projects on Monday.com. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Have a great day and happy organizing.